Good morning. It's a beautiful September 8th day, and it's that time of year to start picking grapes, destemming them. So today I have some Frontenac Gris and Frontenac Blanc, and they were both running about 24 to 25 bricks. So it was time to pick them, and I'm going to show you a little short video here of my destemmer I built. It's just a simple stand with holes in it, plexiglass holes, and as you smear the grapes around, the grapes fall through and the stems stay on top. It works pretty good. And then after they're destemmed, we dump them over here in this crusher I built. And that has paddles on the bottom. You can see them down there. You just run this through. Make sure you have it on low RPM. Oh, there goes a hornet. That's what they are. They're plastic paddles I made. And works pretty good. Here's your finished product. So when you press them, and I also have a hydraulic press that I use to press the grapes. And the grapes, this will go on the bottom. This part here goes along the bottom, and then your net goes in and you press them, and I'll do another video on that. So that's a little basic thing in a setup, how it works. So it's that time of year to get her done.